In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the micros in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader. And as you can see, this is US December 25. So this is the S&P mini, okay? If you want to trade micro S&P, all you have to do is click on this arrow here and go to micros, this one, and choose this one, where it is MES, micro S&P, this one. If you want to trade the micro Nasdaq, you have to choose this one, MNQ, okay? If you want to trade the Dow Jones, the micro Dow Jones, choose this one, MYM, okay? So let's choose, for example, MES, micro S&P. As you can see, this is the micro S&P, okay? So let's buy, for example, one micro.
Order filled.
As you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and
Order
subscribe.
filled.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.